Hi friends, welcome to Elite Shorthand Dictations. இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்க்கக்கூடிய வீடியோ இங்கிலீஷ் ஜூனியரோட ஒரு ரீமேக் வீடியோ. அதாவது ஏற்கனவே டோட் எக்ஸாமில் டிக்டேட் பண்ண ஒரு வீடியோவோட ரீமேக் தான் இது. இதை ஸ்ட்ரோக் போட்டு யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். Dear friends, I feel very much honored in inaugurating this lawyers conference in this ancient city. Being myself a lawyer, my happiness is all the more greater to meet some old faces and also young men and women engaged in this very noble profession. Many of you may not be quite aware of the freedom movement of our country and the great part played by lawyers. If you turn the pages of our history, you will certainly find how noble our profession is, and also you will feel proud about it that it was left to brilliant lawyers from different parts of the country to lead and guide the freedom struggle. In those days, I know there are lawyers in the profession who were having a good practice in the bar and influential with the then government. They never hesitated to leave their profession and also lose huge sums of money which they were earning to join the freedom movement at the call of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. After winning freedom for the country, many efficient members of this profession entered the legislatures and the constituent assembly. They sat together with the other members of the various other professions and had drafted the present constitution, which is prized by many people in other countries. They have also taken part in the administration activities of the states in different departments and various capacities. Now we find that the same spirit continues in them, and most of them are associating themselves with some political parties. I hope the parties concerned in general and the country as a whole will stand to gain by their valuable advice in all matters leading to administration. Their knowledge about law will greatly help in drafting a good piece of legislation meant for the common people at large. Now, it is needless for me to say that you should be thoroughly honest in your dealings with everyone, whether it be your client, the judges, or any other person. In conclusion, I would like to refer to another matter. At times, we hear complaints against members of the profession being involved in misconduct. It pains me a great extent. I know that most of the complaints may be untrue or may be partially true. Nevertheless, you should Guard yourself against such an suspicion and be good examples of honesty and integrity. Our profession should remain noble in the hearts of our citizens. Thank you. Letter from Krishna Engineering Works to General Manager, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Dear Sir, kindly refer to your previous letter. Since the undersigned has been out of station for a month in connection with an official tour, there has been a delay in sending you this reply. We are sorry to note that our unit has sent you some defective and some materials which are rejected by you. We have taken up the matter with our works manager and will revert to you on receipt of reply from him with regard to your order for the supply of special items and replacement of the defective items. We are pleased to manufacture and supply them as early as possible. These special items require great care and superior quality of raw materials, which would be procured from different parts of our country. We assure you of our prompt and efficient service in this concern. Thank you. Yours faithfully. இது இங்கிலீஷ் ஜூனியரோடது. இதுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரோக் போடுங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.